Good morning, everyone. Welcome to online learning. I wanted to take a few minutes to show you the Canvas page, make sure you can navigate it, and make sure you understand what you will be doing via online learning through Canvas. So when you get to Canvas and you click on your class, it's set up pretty much like it usually is. First, there is the help sheet that you were also emailed. So if you look at the help sheet, it kind of tells you exactly what you should be expecting. All right. Everything we are going to try to do is going to be very simplified. Okay, we only want it to take you about 20 to 30 minutes a day. There's going to be 8 quizzes and 3 exams that you're going to take on Canvas to get your grade. You're going to get 2 attempts on each quiz and each test. Now, these are not going to be the same questions each time that you try another attempt. Okay, every Monday through Friday, I will be using this tool over here called Conferences. And what I'll do is I will start a new conference. And once I start a new conference, you're going to be able to join, and it's similar to FaceTiming each other. And so then you'll be able to see me, I'll be able to see you, and you can ask any questions at that time if you have any. Again, you can reach me the ways you've already been reaching me all school year. You can reach me through Remind. You can email me still any time of day. You know, I'm okay with that. It's just the school has set up the 8 to 8:30 for math. But I will be available anytime that you have questions. Also for calculator, you can use Desmos, or TI has done an online simulator. So if you click this, and it's going to be free, so you'll just download it, and it's very similar to the calculator that I use in class that I project up on my screen. All right, so your assignments and everything, again, they're set up pretty much like you're used to. There's going to be a video of the topic and then some practice. Okay, yes, the key is there and everything for you like it usually is. The one thing that's maybe a little bit different is the quizzes. When you click on this quizzes, it's going to give you this pop-up window, and instead of, it kind of looks a little different. You're just going to hit over here practice, because you're just using it to practice, and then you'll hit play. All right, you don't have to sign in or anything. Again, this is not a grade, this is just for practice. So you can skip the login and everything and hit play, and it will then take you to the quizzes, and you can practice the questions that way. All right, and then to get your grade for the week is when you are going to take the quiz on Friday, and it's just not here yet. We are tweaking it a little bit. So the quiz on Friday is the one you'll be able to take twice, and that's the one that's going to be for the grade in the grade book. And those are usually going to be on Fridays. They may be on a Thursday if we happen to have a holiday on a Friday, because we do have a holiday coming up in April on a Friday, so it'll be on a Thursday. If you have any questions, please join the conference in the mornings, or again, it does not have to be between 8 and 8:30. You can contact me anytime. If I need to set up a different conference at a different time with you, I am always available to do that as well. If you have any questions, again, please do not hesitate to ask, and good luck.